square piece goes over. I just lifted it up with my knife. Now I can get to the batteries. Hello, it's January 5th. I'm out here. I need to replace the batteries in the Run Chicken T50 door, but also need to do one maintenance item. These doors are fantastic. We love these. And of course the electric fence from Premier Netting. We can leave one day a week. We need to be gone all day long. And door raises up, lets chickens out. If we get home after dark with these short days in the winter, it'll close back up. The chickens are safe. Of course they have the fencing too to help them. The only issue I've had, it's not the door, it's the weather, is I need to pull this ramp out so that the debris and water gets stuck right here and it gets below freezing. A lot of times it'll stick this door shut. So we've had that happen twice, I believe. And that's an item, this area that will freeze. That's something on me, not the manufacturer of the door. So I'm going to take the whole door off and we'll take it over to my truck bed. I'll replace the batteries. I'll work on this. And let's say I'm trying to keep the video short for you, those of you that are watching just to replace the batteries. Okay, I've got the door off. There are 4 screws to get to the battery. We'll take these out. Yeah, we're real happy with this door. We've had it since March. The manufacturer recommends that you replace the batteries each winter with the Duracell brand. So let me take a look at this. Get any debris out of here first. And here's what I'm dealing with. There's something that holds this. This square piece goes over. I just lifted it up with my knife. Now I can get to the batteries. We can give them change them out. And like I say, this is recommended to do at the start of each winter. We're a little late, not too far. Winter solstice hasn't been too far since we're only at the 5th of January. All right, I'm just blowing some of the dirt out. So there we go. Square thing goes back on to help. And I heard it beep. Gave a green light and a red light, so looks like the batteries are working. So I'm going to put this back together. Remember, you got 4 screws, and I'm going to work on my ramp, put the mounting screws back on that. And we're back in business. I am going to take some time and clean this all up first, but I get this down here where you can see me. We appreciate you watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe. That would be fantastic. Send us comments. If you've got this door, tell us how it's working. Or if you don't have one and you want to know more information, leave us a note. We'll be glad to answer, and we will catch you next time. Take care. Bye.